Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to download Instagram highlights. Let's get started. First, open up your Instagram app and head to your profile or someone else's profile that you want to save a highlight from. Unfortunately, Instagram doesn't provide a direct option to save highlights to your device, but we've got a simple trick for you. Open the highlight you want to save and just take a screenshot. You may do this by using your assistive touch on your iPhones or by quickly pressing the volume up button and the power button simultaneously. You've taken the screenshot, and now if you want to make any edits, feel free to do so. You can crop or adjust as needed. Save the edited image by tapping Done and save the photos. Your photo will be saved to your camera roll. Now, if you want to save a video highlight, you can take a screenshot obviously, but you can record your screen. Start by going to your device's settings and navigate to Control Center. Ensure that screen recording is added to your included controls, and if not, add it from the available controls below. Once you've added screen recording, you can access it from your control center. Once you click the button with circles in it, the button should look like that after 3 seconds. That means that your screen is not recording. Another indication is the red thing at the upper left corner of your screen. Now head back to Instagram and play the video highlights that you want to save. Start recording, and once you're satisfied with your recording, you may stop the recording by clicking the red thing at the top left corner of your screen. The screen recording of the video highlight will be saved to your photos. Feel free to make necessary edits, trim the beginning and end, and adjust the frame if needed. And there you have it. You've successfully saved Instagram highlights to your photo gallery. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon!